Hello there. In this video, I will discuss how to rename multiple files systematically using Python. I'm not sure about you, but as a hobbyist myself, I often find myself in the situation where I want to rename a bunch of files in one way or another. For example, when I'm trying to do this video, I had to feed a script to an AI platform and then download several MP3 files. To make things organized, I rename those MP3 files with a certain naming convention. In the left picture are the downloaded MP3 files, and in the right are the renamed files. Won't you agree with me that the right side looks more organized and easier to handle? I can do the renaming manually, but since I have to do this repeatedly for different videos, I decided to find a way to automate the process. So I'll share with you what I've learned so far using Python. I didn't come up with this whole thing alone, and most of the ideas here were collated from my Google search. Here's the snippet of the code that I used to meet my objectives. The important modules that we have to import here are the OS and glob. These modules contain methods that allow us to go through files in our system. The directory variable here is the folder where we want to manage our files in. You have to update this variable depending on where your files are. The next line essentially lists all the files that I want. Note that I've used the os.path.join function here with the directory and file type as the inputs. You have to change the file type here depending on which types you want. If a text file, then this must be .txt. If PDF, then PDF. Now the next line is just sorting the files based on certain criteria. In my case, I want to sort based on the time I downloaded the MP3 files, so I use the getCtime as the sort key. Other sort keys that I've found are file names, file size, and last access time. Some file types have special attributes that you can use as a basis for sorting, but that should be done outside of the os.path method. For example, MP3 files have special attributes including artist, album title, and song duration. We can define a sorting key method based on the artist attribute using the mutagen module. I'm not particularly sure about the attributes of other file types like PDFs, so I'll just leave it up to you to make some Google search depending on your objective. The last part of the code basically iterates through all the files in the myFiles variable. The new name and new file path variables here are basically the new file names that I intend to assign to my files. Note how I systematically name my files based on the index number. Using this notation, I get file names ending in number, which will make it easier for me to read them and sort them outside Python. The last line of the code is where the actual renaming happens. The os.rename function changes the file name from the current name, which is file path, to the new one. Let's see this code in action. In a matter of seconds or maybe milliseconds, the file names were easily changed. How amazing! Note that renaming is not the only thing we can do using this base code. Instead of renaming in the last line, we can also just make a list of the current files and save it in a CSV file. There's so much more we can do with this. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something from me today. This is just the first of many random how-to videos that I plan to make in the future. If you're into math and random coding, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.